love.
Oh, it's my turn.
I have to go add my.
Try to come back.
No, for real.
Cheers to.
Cheers.
Wait, y'all can't do that. My video.
Cheers.
Fuck up, go ahead, just do it. Cheers.
Tag me in it.
Yeah. This is for the YouTube. So guys, we just made it to our room. This is our suite. Let me turn on this light.
Wow.
I don't know how to turn on none of this stuff. I don't know how to work none of this stuff. Oh my gosh. But this is the shower. The bathroom area. Y'all, I don't know how to turn this light. Oh, there we go now. Let's see what this is. I don't know what this is. Oh, I guess this is a door to, I don't know, y'all. I'm just here. Okay. Cute tub. We had the double bed. And then we had got the ocean view. I really wanted the swim up suite, but that was very expensive, so. And this is our balcony. And this is our view. Oh, the view's pretty. Y'all like it?
Love it.
Alright.
Huh?
Never come back.
Yep, and this is our room, guys.
Oh, Bison, look.
What?
So pretty. Look at this,
Right
guys.
here. You wanna go to that one?
This is so pretty. And I am about to go to bed. Oh, guys, we just figured something out. The shower closes. Like the whole entire bathroom has like its own little. This is cute.
Carolyn?
Put your back into it.
It's not working.
I already know y'all acting crazy.
Yo!
I already know y'all acting crazy.
I'm just taking a sample.
Yeah.
Scale 1 to 10, how drunk are you?
I guess about 7.
Scale 1 to 10, how drunk are you?
1,000.
8. Ashley. 8.
Hey.
This is about crazy.
Bye, me, Lord. All people.
Literally, I already know something now. Crazy is what I do.
I'm out.
Sorry.
You ready?
And we're about to drink too.
You set?
Wait,
I gotta get my welcome drink first.
Oh my gosh. Let's just pause.
And I'm gonna-
We'll be back. Guys, we're taking shots for my birthday.
To 23 years around the sun. 22, sorry.
22. That's
Ciao.
okay.
Cheers. Period.
Interesting. That's all I
You
have
see,
to say.
it went smooth, right? It was smooth. It was smooth.
You feel like a smooth day?
She didn't finish her damn shot.
She didn't?
She is so
She's really dramatic. This is my taster.
I literally don't do this at home, so.
Okay. It's just I can't tell. This club.
Oh yeah, this is the rooftop pool right here.
No, it's not the rooftop pool. Let's take a race.
We at another bar. At this point, we going bar hopping at the resort and just taking shots. And I look like this.
You know, any friends that,
And this girl keeps talking to everybody she see. Listen to her. She's really crazy.
who like the brown women.
Okay.
Our
You
shot.
like brown women, Erwin? Oh, Erwin!
Do you have like juice that I can have on the side so I can wash it down with it? Orange is nice. I like orange is pretty smooth.
Pineapple for me, please. You can just do it.
Yeah, I need a chaser. I don't care. I be needing a chaser.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
So who the fuck is Hella was talking to?
Oh, you know.
I forgot she was live. Like, who the fuck is on the
Huh? Orange. You know my YouTube girls.
I understand. I ain't mad.
Big bed. Not a big bed. Take a melody. I wonder what kind of music they're gonna play.
Not that.
You like Cardi B? Yeah. What, Irwin?
Cheers!
It did eliminate the taste a little bit. Do you like Nicki Minaj?
Love. Y'all, look at this shot.
I know that's right.
That was
That was very good.
And they finish y'all? I finished my own way.
He's still on her shot, y'all. One,
You gotta tell my business like that.
one,
You
two.
look here, be 1, 2, 3.
Count, Irvin, count.
Y'all, she's really crazy.
Called crack. 1, 2, 3, go.
You didn't do the whole thing.
Oh my gosh. She keep dragging this shot.
Hold up.
Oh, excuse me, that I just burped. This girl keep dragging this shot.
Did you hear that, man? If you just take the last shot, it'd be the
Take it.
Oh, he's trying to kill you, boy.
Look at him.
Drink.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
You said you drink,
Yay.
huh, fish? But I said drink, you don't want to drink.
Ah. So guys, we're going to dinner. We're about to go to dinner by the pool. After that, I think they have a bonfire / DJ party by the pool. Clyson's up front rushing us, but I'll show y'all. I'll show y'all me and Zay's outfit after because it's cute. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the beach party. Ciao. Oh, y'all, we all got shots. You dropped it?
I don't like shots.
Oh my God, Zay!
You can do a shot.
We're about to take some shots. What are we shotting to? Well, duh, me. No, I'm just playing.
Our last night, y'all first night.
Yep, our last night, first night, and my birthday. Cancer season.
Y'all live in Atlanta?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we
We all live in Atlanta. So
Yeah, I go to Clark, Atlanta.
And you a cop, so you got to
Oh, you're a cop?
hold on. You from Atlanta?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cheers! First night, last night.
She don't want no shot.
Jay, I'm about to take my shot. Our food just came. Are you happy? Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
I was saying that too.
Starfish. Oh my God.
Y'all look what Kyson just got.
Everybody seafood.
Kyson got your
You got the
eyes.
scallops?
It looks like roaches.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be eating the eyes. Guarantee that.
What is wrong with everyone's order at the table? Okay, round 2 with the shots. Y'all ready? Shots to me, of course. I mean, cheers to me, of course.
But yes, to me. I had to show you on me. That's
Cheers
crazy.
to being me.
To date, to
All
date,
right.
to date.
Cheers to the perfect date.
The salt on this.
This is our 4th shot, y'all.
Like me, I don't know why. I'm gonna give her a reason why I take her God. You don't want smoke, baby. Please believe me.
Oh, we
Let me
ready?
get it easy.
Touch me, touch me. Cheers to me.
Whoa, whoa.
Cheers to Lynn. Happy birthday. Cheers to another life. I mean, not another life, like a...
Man, alright,
No, cheers. Cheers to like another year. That's how I like to say.
That's better.
Not did you die? Woo! Zay, take a shot. I'm not playing with you.
Baby.
Oh no! Okay, so drink it.
She a cheater.
Finish it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, finish. I'm not playing.
Yes, sir.
She not gonna finish it because she a hoe.
Stop saying that.
Zay, finish.
She gonna finish that.
I didn't notice that. I was like, what?
Nope. Put it back.
You didn't hear that?
Excuse me?
Put it back.
Is that back anywhere?
Put it back.
Because I gotta use it too. No, he's not listening.
There we go. Thank you.
Period.
Boy, it's so pretty here. Like, so pretty. I cannot. It's so much to handle how pretty it is. I don't know, but I'm also very drunk. Okay, y'all, look at this water. Ugh. Like, this is so pretty. Where is she? She, come on. She. The camera misses you. She's here. Walk. Now let me see you walk. Good fucking bye. Y'all, look at her butt.
God, give me ass shots. God, give me ass shots. I'm just
Her butt, it's what y'all pay for. And she got it naturally.
gotta get lost.
They are literally crazy. They are literally crazy. My birthday is currently in 10 minutes. Per Mexico, it's in 10 minutes. But in America, I'm already 22. But in Mexico, I'm still 21. I think my phone is on 18%. You want to charge it?
Please, my phone's stuck.
Yeah, here. But we're about to go to the club at the resort. I'm extremely drunk. It's so fun. And then here's Zay.
I think my boobs are up.
Oh my God, they are? Oh. Good night. My birthday. I'm so dead. No, it's my birthday. That's so fun. Turning 22. Everything will be alright. Next to you. You don't know about me. Happy birthday!